What are the executor's fiduciary responsibilities? Have you ever wondered what it really means to be an executor of an estate? This role comes with serious responsibilities that ensure everything is handled properly after someone passes away. Let's break down the key fiduciary duties of an executor in a straightforward way. First and foremost, the executor must administer the estate according to the will. This means they need to follow the specific instructions laid out by the deceased. The executor must file the will with the probate court and comply with all legal requirements. Next, the executor has the job of locating, collecting, and safeguarding all assets belonging to the estate. This can include real estate, bank accounts, investments, and personal belongings. It is crucial that these assets are appraised and securely maintained during the entire process. Another important responsibility is paying off debts, expenses, and taxes. The executor must identify any unpaid bills and settle creditor claims. They also need to prepare and file any necessary income and estate tax returns, ensuring that all taxes due from the estate are paid on time. While managing the estate, the executor must act prudently. This means they should handle the assets responsibly, avoiding any conflicts of interest. For example, they should not use estate assets for personal gain or invest in businesses they control. The executor must act in the best interest of all beneficiaries. Communication is key in this role. The executor has a duty to keep beneficiaries informed about the administration process. Regular updates and detailed accountings of income, expenses, and distributions help maintain trust and reduce the risk of disputes. Once all debts, taxes, and expenses are settled, the executor is responsible for distributing the remaining assets to the beneficiaries according to the terms of the will. This final step must be done carefully to honor the wishes of the deceased. Lastly, legal compliance is essential. Executors must follow all probate laws and court orders. If they fail to fulfill their fiduciary duties, they could be held personally liable. This includes mismanaging assets or failing to act diligently. In the context of elder law and estate planning, the executor's role is vital. They ensure that the estate is handled ethically and efficiently, especially when beneficiaries include elderly or vulnerable individuals. Executors must balance their legal obligations with sensitivity to family dynamics. Overall, the executor's fiduciary responsibilities involve managing the estate with integrity and transparency. They must ensure debts and taxes are paid, assets are preserved, and beneficiaries are kept informed throughout the process. This careful attention to detail helps honor the wishes of the deceased and protect the interests of all involved.